The line between good and evil runs not through the world. It runs through yourself. Divided in this way, one must make choices. Some are hard, some are easy. Life will continue without you. But to what end? To make a difference, to really make a difference. You follow your heart. You follow your soul. You build. You create. You help. You take those weaker than you by the hand and you guide them. You heal them. You support. There are many paths that lead the right way. Most are beset by obstacles. But when the sun sets late on the final day, and you've overcome that which held you back, the truth is revealed, and the light of the new age shines all the brighter on your face.